And to talk about our software a little bit, I love this graph because it just indicates how much people use our software and how much they love our software. The black line is the number of submissions, and the blue graph is the number of users that have registered. We've seen huge spikes in our user base in the last couple of months. And even more importantly, the growth in the number of print jobs has been growing super, super fast. We only had a couple dozen printers in the field as of March, about 50 or so. And we had over 25,000 print jobs submitted to our machines. 25,000 parts printed on only 50 machines. That's really, really exciting because these are, it's kind of weird when you think about it this way, but half of these printers are in schools. Schools are factories now. But the kids are not sweatshop laborers. Guarantee you that. The machine does it all on its own. The school gets the capability of being a factory in a box because of the NV Pro. Not to dig into the details too much, it matters, but it doesn't matter. We have one of the best machines on the market. Technical specs wise, mechanically, it's one of the best machines, but really what differentiates the product is the end-to-end ecosystem and the ease of use that the entire system provides to the customer. If we just had software, it wouldn't be that useful because the software has to play with hardware. And if we just had the hardware without the software, it wouldn't have the ease of use. And if there was no automation, it would still require a human. It's these three concepts coming together and being integrated into a single product that enables you to use this thing around the clock and have 6-year-olds do it. A 6-year-old can come up with their own design, get it into our software, hit print, and then the printer takes over from there and then gives them the widget that they designed. At no other point in history could a 6-year-old manufacture anything, let alone anything meaningful. This is really, really cool. Because when I was 6 years old, I played with Legos. And all I could play with was little rectangles. But now you can play with whatever shape you want. You're not limited to rectangles. It kind of opens up the creativity and what's possible. And that's what I was saying in my talk before. I see 3D printing and the design thinking changes that are going to happen being a generational thing. Kind of the philosophy of you're going to struggle to teach an old dog new tricks. It's the same type of thing. It's a lot easier to change the untempered mind of a young adult or a child. And from the perspective of, they didn't learn design for conventional manufacturing. All those rules that existed previously don't exist with 3D printing. It's a different set of rules. I'm not saying that there's no rules. I already taught you about some of them. You need to orient the part appropriately, you need to have support material. Those types of concepts exist. Those are really simple compared to, I need to have certain wall thicknesses and the right angles. It's much more complicated with conventional manufacturing.